Hello friends, today we are discussing about the class 3 starting the work done on the computer. Let's start it. Which storage device is fixed inside the CPU? CPU, which device are fixed inside the CPU? Hard disk, CD, DVD, none of them. Hard disk that are that are storage device that fix inside the CPU. See the image. This is the hard disk. Hard disk is a storage device that store your computer work permanently. Permanently, you have to store the data that you have to work on the computer. Which device look like CD but can hold much more information? Which device look like CD but can hold much more information? Hard disk, DVD, pen drive, none of these. Which device look like CD? You see the image. Hard disk is not you. So you have pen drive you already know. DVD. DVD is just like a CD, but it can hold much information regarding to CD. DVD full form is digital versatile disk. DVD full form is digital versatile disk. Temporary memory is called. Temporary memory is called DVD, pen drive, RAM. None of these. Temporary memory is called RAM. RAM is a random access memory. This is the main memory of computer. Hold only those data and instructions that the computer is currently working on. RAM is a random access memory that store the computer work only those work store and instruction to that the computer is currently working on. This is called temporary memory. We store our computer work in cache device. We store our computer work in cache storage temporary. None of these. None of these. Storage device like the hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive are used to store the work that you do on a computer. This is called the storage device. Storage device like hard disk that inside the CPU cabinet, CD, DVD, pen drive are external storage device that store the work that you do on a computer. Which is the main device that a computer used to store information? Which is a main device that a computer used to store? Hard disk, pen drive, RAM, none of the main device that computer used to store information. Hard disk. Hard disk is the main device that a computer uses to store information that you have to work on computer. Which memory between CPU and RAM? Which memory that call between CPU and RAM? Cache memory, register memory, cache memory, none of them. Cache memory. Cache memory. This is called cache memory. Cache memory between the CPU and RAM. Cache memory is high speed memory in the CPU. Cache memory is the high speed memory in the CPU that is used for faster access to data. Which is a small key ring size? Which is a small key ring size storage device that called pen drive, hard disk, CD, none of them. Which called small key ring size that is called pen drive. Which is the latest optical disc which more storage than the DVD? Latest optical disc which is more storage than the DVD. Blu-ray disc, DVD, hard disk, pen drive. Blu-ray disc. See the image. This is the Blu-ray disc. That is a optical disc that store the more storage more than the DVD. The Blu-ray format offers dash times the storage capacity of traditional DVD. How many times that store data in Blu-ray comparison to DVD? fourth, fifth, sixth, none of these. Fifth time more than store the data from data DVD. Blu-ray offer 5 times the storage capacity of traditional DVD. 5 times Blu-ray disc store the data comparison to DVD. Storage device are also called storage device are also what called storage device. Primary memory, access memory, secondary memory, none of them. Hmm. Secondary memory. Storage device are called secondary memory. Another storage currently available in market, you have to see the cloud storage. Cloud storage allow you to save data and file in remote location that you access through the internet. This is called cloud storage. Previously you have learned this is the in a primary storage, secondary storage, an external storage, but this is a cloud storage that allow you to save data and file in remote location that you can access through the internet. Google Drive, OneDrive, that is stored on the remote location. This is called cloud storage, which has limited capacity and data is lost as soon as a power is switched off. Limited capacity and data is lost when power is switch off. Switch off. Goes off. Hard disk, RAM, both na. RAM is random access memory. This is has limited capacity and data when lost when as well power is switched off. Which is a round storage device. Hard disk, pen drive, DVD, none of these. DVD. DVD is a round storage device. When the microprocessor start processing data, it first check in the cache memory. When the microprocessor start processing data, it first check in cache memory. True, false, hard disk, none of them. This is the true condition, because when microprocessor start processing data to searching in a computer, first check cache key in cache that have available or not. Then after it process. Which device enable to store your computer work permanently? Which device enable to store your computer work permanently? Storage device, random access memory, cache memory, none of these. Called random access storage device. It's called storage device that store your computer permanently. If you want to save data and permanently, that need a storage device. Storage device like hard disk, pen drive, and other external device also you can use. When you save your work, it is first stored in on the RAM, cache, hard disk. First stored in the hard disk. Hard disk. Today we are introducing some things to you have to full form of some shortcut. Uh, Full form of some. SDD means hard disk drive. SDD means hard disk drive. DVD digital versatile disk. CD compact disk. BD Blu-ray disk. RAM random access memory. SD high definition. CAD computer aided designing. DTP desktop publishing. ATM automated teller machine. LED light emitting diode. LED means LED light emitting diodes. Thank you for watching.